Okay, so it's Tom here, crypto blogger, tech bait guy. Um, my kid's liable to start screaming for me any minute, so I apologize if that happens. It's a very spoiled toddler, and the movie's almost over. But anyway, as you can see, things are on the green side, and that's the movie in the background you hear, Frozen. If you're a parent of a toddler, you get it. If not, oh well. So here we go. Things are back up in the green finally. There's a lot of green here, mostly green. You get a few reds, but mostly green. Uh, this is weird. This Nano was Rayblox was rebranded as Nano. This thing's been like up when everything's red and is down when everything's green. Weird. So anyway, as you can see, mostly things are green. Have we reached the bottom? Quite possibly, but who knows? All it takes is one well-placed piece of government or media FUD, and it seems like the weak hands in the market, there's way too many weak hands in this crypto market. You know, let me say something about you guys who can't hold on. You can't hold on to anything for dear life if your life depended on it. Why are you so skittish that you want to sell at a loss? What is wrong with you people, okay? You contribute to making these corrections worse than they need to be and take longer than they need to take. You know, just yesterday, I'm in a group for my trading bot, and there's some guy talking about how do you put it into panic sell mode. Why would you want to put your trading bot into panic sell mode? I mean, maybe there's a real reason why, a legit reason why somebody would want to do that, but I don't understand. Why would you want to panic sell all your stuff and lock in your losses? You realize that's what you do. You lock in your losses when you do that. I just, it boggles the mind. And you see all these people coming in and saying these stupid things. Look, for those of us who held, our portfolios are starting to climb up again because we didn't lose anything because we didn't sell. We have the same number of coins as before this bloodbath, right? As long as you didn't sell, you're okay. You will be okay. And it's the same thing in the stock market. Why people panic sell is beyond me. I mean, you're trying to preserve what what do you end up preserving? You preserve nothing, right? You end up losing your stuff, and then it's going to cost you more money to rebuy it later on. I mean, you're operating at a loss, complete loss. This other stuff, it's fake losses. It's paper losses. I mean, people say, oh, I lost all this money. You only lost if you sold, right? Because you don't lose anything. It's only fake value, right? It's only on paper. Your portfolio value goes down during the correction, and it comes right back up as everything climbs. It's a delay, if anything. It's an annoying delay, but it's a delay. So, anyway, get on over to techbait.net, which is my crypto and tech site. I've got all crypto and tech news. I added a few more crypto feeds on here, and it's got good stuff. If you're not in the various exchanges, use my links here to join up to these various exchanges and get accounts. If any one of them are closed to new members, just keep trying with my links until you get in. You'll eventually get in. All right, but you should get into these exchanges, get an account, even if you don't have anything in there. Get your account approved, verified, and everything so that you can move crypto around. You don't want to keep all your eggs in one basket, okay? So this is a great tech site I put together mainly for my own use, but, you know, I have some ads on there to help pay for the web hosting and stuff, and you know who's getting rich off this stuff. So, you know, ads on websites, I mean. Hopefully we all get rich off crypto. But, so, you know, I've got some good stuff. I got some good widgets here. I've even got precious metals widget here that updates regularly. You know, you could join this stuff through me because you should be diversified, okay? So anyway, my trade bot is finally, where is it? Oops. I can't see it because my face is in the way. Is this going to work? No. Maybe it's not going to work because, oh, there it is. You don't see my face anymore, which is fine by me. I don't know if this is recording, so hopefully it will. I'm seeing on my screen my trading bot. As you can see, if you're seeing it, there's not a lot of profit right now because we've been operating at a loss. You know, we've been operating without the funds. In other words, most of the money we have has been tied up in bags that we bought maybe before things dropped, and then you're stuck holding that stuff until it can be sold at a profit, which is when the market climbs back up. So therefore, you don't have the trading funds that you normally have at your disposal, and your bot slows down. It's got nothing to trade with. So right now, it's slowly starting to come back to normal, but the profits aren't really that great right now, but at least it's there. I mean, my bot's been making trades as the market's been coming back. It's been able to sell off some of the bags it had, and it's been, slowly making trades and making little profits on those trades. And I see now I have an ETH. I work with ETH as my main currency right now, so it's working with that. And now I have a small ETH balance where I didn't have any yesterday because everything was tied up. So it's slowly bouncing back, and it's great to have this thing working. It's awesome. Let me see. Come back here. So anyway, I don't know if you saw that. Hopefully you did. If not, you just saw me talking during it. And I apologize. It's my MacBook. I'm switching. I have my bot running on another computer in my basement, and I was trying to show my remote desktop. So the trading bot is definitely great because it's like having, let me make myself bigger here. It's like having a little day trader locked in your basement. And who's got the time? Like normally I would get anxious. Like now it's the weekend, right? My wife's about to come back from the store. I got to go to a store, so I'm gonna cut this short right now. But normally there'd be no trading going on, but now there is, because while I'm doing something else, it's working for me, and that's awesome. So it's not just buy and hold anymore. I have certain things held, but positions I don't want it trading. But meanwhile, it's doing day trading on the side, and it's making profit that way. So you should really get a bot. Later.